Hi friends, hi kids, hi my little audits out there. How are you? Hope you are having a very wonderful weekend. Yeah, it's interesting you already for me. Okay, let's dive into the matter of today. You remember I started the subject matter on cycle the other day. Yes, and we learned how to draw circle using compass. If you haven't seen those videos, I will advise you just have a little pause here, run down to my YouTube channel, right? Run down to my TikTok, go through, find the video on how to draw a circle using a compass. That particular video we aid today's lesson, which is perimeter of a circle. Perimeter of a circle. So let's go deeper. Now remember, this is a circle. The distance around your circle, the distance around your circle is known as the perimeter. It's also known as circumference. Circumference. So when we say perimeter, all we are saying is that we ought to find the total distance. The total distance around your circle is known as perimeter. There's another name you can also refer to it as circumference. So it's either you call it a perimeter or you call it the circumference. The perimeter or the circumference. Now, in finding the perimeter of a circle, a given formula is needed. Perimeter of a circle is equal to 2 pi r, which is equal to 2 times pi times r. Your 2 is a constant number. It doesn't change. It remains 2. Your pi is also a constant number. In math, pi has a value of 22/7 in a fraction form or 3.17 in a decimal form. And of course, your radius is your arrow, which changes per time. Your radius changes per time. So your circle comes in different sizes. So if you see a bigger circle, it's obvious that it has a bigger radius. So your radius changes per time. The formula as we recap is 2 pi r. The perimeter requires you to find the total distance around the circle. You can't just find the total distance. Of course, when we're in grade 1 thereabouts, we were told that you can use a string to find the total distance around the circle. Yes, that's when you are trying to estimate the value. But for you to be accurate, you have to make use of the formula, which is perimeter of a circle equal to 2 pi r, which means 2 times pi times r. Remember, pi is a constant value, 22/7 or 3.17 in decimal fraction. So I would like to practicalize and apply this formula. Just roll with me as we go deeper. Okay, example 1. Find the perimeter of a circle whose radius is 7 centimeters. We have a question before us which we need to apply the formula on. Find the perimeter of a circle whose radius is 7 centimeters. Now please hear this again and again. Anytime you are meant to solve a question in mathematics that requires a formula, when starting your solution, the very first thing you do is to state the formula. I'm going to recap that and say it loud. Anytime you are meant to answer a question in math that requires the usage of a formula, the very first step you take is to write down the formula. So, we are meant to find perimeter of a circle here. It means the very first thing I need to do is to write the formula of perimeter of a circle. So, let's roll. Perimeter of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. 2 pi r. Remember, I expanded that I said it means 2 times pi times r. Remember, let's go now. 2 is a constant value, it's not going to change, it remains constant. Pi has a constant value in months, which is 22 over 7. Radius was given to us in this question. Remember, our question says whose radius is 7 centimeters. Now we have 2, we have 22 over 7, a fraction, we have 7. Just to be careful, I advise that you give your denominator of these 2 as 1. Yes, when your number is an odd number and it has no denominator, obviously the denominator is 1. You may ask why. Yeah, any number divided by 1 is the same number. So for this place not to be empty, you can put all over 1, because 2 all over 1 is the same thing as 2. This will aid you when doing your calculation, and this will also aid you not to forget any of, or not to leave any number aside. So we have 2 over 1, 7. We have 22 over 7. We have 7 over 1. Like I said, you have to put 1 on the 2, because any number divided by 1 is the same number. This will help you not to leave any number aside when you are cancelling anything, or when you are multiplying the numerator. It will help you to know which is numerator and which is denominator. That's the essence of you introducing 1 to their denominators. So let's go. Something can go here. We can do a simple cancellation here. 7 into 7, 1, 1. So at this moment, we are left with 2 times 22 times 1, everything over 1 times 1 times 1. Now 2 times 22, 22 times 2. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 2, 4. So we are going to have the numerator as 44 and the denominator as 1. So 44 divided by 1 gives us 44. So at the end of it all, we have our perimeter as 44 centimeters. Friends, it's as simple as this. It's as simple as this. So all you need to do, like I said, when you are solving any mathematical question that requires the usage of a formula, the first step is to write out your formula. In fact, when writing out the formula, it will even help you to know how to go about it. So when I write down my formula, 2 pi r, what comes to my head is that 2 remains a constant. Pi has a constant value, 22 over 7, and radius was given to me in the question. It becomes easy for me. So friends, watch this video to the end, like, repeat, watch again, and watch again. Don't get tired of watching. And if there are things you need clarity on, drop your comments on the comment section. Drop your comments on the comment section. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, do subscribe, and please share. You never can tell who this will be helpful to. You may say this is nothing, but somebody needs it at the share. As you share, it goes abroad. That's how it is. And remember, you are the best. Never limit yourself, and never have any form of phobia for math. It's easy with math journeys. God bless you all. I love you guys. Bye for now.